A disappointing decision from the nation's highest court.
The U.S. Supreme Court told us that they didn't want to hear our case.
The case involves North Carolina Farm Bureau's petition to reinstate a portion of the state's Property Protection Act, a law that banned animal activists from gaining access to farms and businesses under the false premise of news gathering. Lawmakers approved it in 2015. This past February, a lower court overturned it. 8 months later, that decision will stand.
That's concerning because the opinion below, the Fourth Circuit's opinion, is really bad and has some really negative implications for agriculture, but also the business community as a whole.
Yeah, on our farm, our main thing is hogs, and so you try to put a good message out there that we're doing it the right way. But then when you have people that are doing things that are undercover, it opens the door for lots of irresponsible reporting.
I have seen this happen. There was a small farmer here in North Carolina, a number of years ago, that was targeted. He was a dairyman, wasn't a big farmer. He trusted the folks that came in, and they put him out of business, and it sent shockwaves across the whole industry.
We're responsible with what we're doing. It just hurts that there are people out there who want to try to come in and sabotage us.
I think they're rightfully concerned. Our farmer members need certainty in a lot of areas of their business operations.
NC Farm Bureau will continue to fight for farmers.
We need to go to the General Assembly and ask them to try to fix some of the problems that came up as a result of these rulings.
That can't happen until lawmakers return to Raleigh for their 2024 short session next May. In the meantime, farmers must remain vigilant.
Farmers and business owners need to take great care when they're hiring employees, make sure they know who they are and that they are properly screening those folks. They also need to consider implementing some employment practices such as prohibiting mobile phones and other devices in the workspace or private areas of the farm.
Everybody has to be on their P's and Q's. Everybody has to be aware, watch what they're doing, and be diligent about who they allow on the farm, quite frankly, which is unfortunate because we want to share what we do with the public. We want to educate them, but we have to be careful about that.
When you start beginning this idea of mistrust amongst your employees, that's really a bad place to be. But you also have to protect this investment in that farm that you've worked so hard for over the years. And for one person who doesn't like you or the way you do your business, they're going to come in secretively and then blow it all up. That's a risk worth considering. And so, yeah, you're going to have to take these steps.